Oh yeah. And there you have it, Big Papa's Max Smoke Baked Potatoes. Hi kids, Big Papa here. Listen, pellet grilled baked potatoes. Unbelievable. There's something about the convection that makes them, we're gonna make them today, but they're called the trash bag potato. I know I'm gonna have some bacon. I know I'm gonna have some green onions, some melted butter, and some Mexican crema that I'm using as my sour cream. But first, we're gonna stab them. So we're gonna put them in the Mac at 400 degrees until they're done, about 45 minutes is what I'm guessing. But we're gonna put a chef alarm in there, a ThermalWorks chef alarm, and we're gonna pull them at 203. Real simple. This is the easiest recipe I've ever taught you. We're gonna take our trash bag. We're gonna put these punctured potatoes in there. Look at that. Woo. Okay, some olive oil. Oh yeah. Don't be shy. Trust me, try this at home. Shake them up good. Let's make sure we get good olive oil coverage on it. The secret weapon, Little Louie's. Cover them good. Shake them up. And we're going to put them on the cooker. Okay, we're going to put them on the Mac here. And then we're going to stab them with the ThermalWorks chef alarm. What do I need to do one? I'm going to be close enough. All the way to the center of the potato. There. Beautiful. Okay, kids. They took about 45 minutes. I'm just going to come in here. Oh, yeah. 203, 204. And it's just like feeling a brisket. You want to just feel no resistance. So now we're going to build these things up for you. I might have James with his gloves on open them for me. First thing, some butter. Look at that. A little sour cream. Some Mexican four cheese. Did somebody say bacon? Now you got to have some onions. Now let's just make sure there's enough butter in there. Maybe a little crema on top. And there you have it, Big Papa's Max Smoke Baked Potatoes.